Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can redeem your Ulta beauty points. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select the web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ulta.com. So after you type it in, you will be redirected to the official page of Ulta where you need to be logged in. Now simply select the basket-like icon and choose the products you want to shop. After you select it, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to scroll down and simply press on the checkout option. So once you press on the checkout option, you will be redirected to your final shipment page where you can find the Ultimate Rewards credit card option. So you need to simply press on apply now and apply the points you want to redeem. So on one product you can apply maximum of 4,000 points. So after you do it, your redeemed points will be deducted from your Ultimate Reward credit card and your points will successfully be redeemed. This is how you redeem your Ulta Beauty point. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.